Yeah. Okay. So I guess I'd like to ask you one more question. Do you have any like crazy, wild predictions? Anything is possible for dance or like dance NFTs, Web 3.0, metaverse, whatever it is.
I feel like everybody's gonna get in NFTs. I feel like there's gonna be very, I don't know like how far into the future, but I want to see animation series of NFTs with like dance characters. And you know what I'm saying? And so what's happening in NFTs is there's animations that come out like a comic book. I love comic books. I collect comics. And so I know back in the day, you had to wait the next week for another, like the next whatever chapter
Mhm.
or the next episode or whatever. Right.
Yeah.
And so what's happening in the NFT space is there's also these animation projects in which like if you buy a chapter, you get to partake in the formation of the new chapter.
That's
If you're
so
like a
cool.
holder. It's so cool.
Because
And
like
like, yeah, and these dope artists are coming out like creating these characters. And I'm like, I want to see like a dance animation series. I want to see like dance like characters and whether they are real people or you know what I'm saying? Like or
yeah.
other types of characters, alien looking, I don't know, who cares? But I just see that and I see like dancers immortalizing themselves because our bodies we get old, but what if
Yeah.
I could be an animation? What if there could be like an April animation?
You
And
know what?
yeah.
Like you just like you become like these the like, in Fortnite, like you can pick all these dances forever. You can just download this set of choreography or movements
Yeah,
that's from your library, and then people have to purchase that.
yeah, there's the possibilities are endless, and I hope that happens for dance, that we get to have these like animation types of series in the digital world. And then I love Animal Crossing. So I haven't gone into the metaverse and wandered around myself, but I need to get up on there and like check out what the metaverse is all about myself. But I see some crazy things happening there where people are really going to be hanging out in the metaverse, like just chilling there, talking to each other. I really don't think that anything is ever going to replace real life interaction. Like, I need like real life interaction. And I feel like if we didn't need real life interactions, like people would be okay staying at home. But people are out, even though there's a virus, like people are out. So I don't think that this will ever take away from the real life experiences that we have. But yeah, I think there'll come a point where people are just gonna be chilling in the metaverse and be like, hey, you want to go to the bar? Click on this link and you go to the bar with your friends in the metaverse.
Oh
And
god.
like, yeah, you'll like be clothed in with your what NFTs your if you got the Adidas NFT, you'll get your Adidas like clothing, change your clothes. If you get
Oh
some
god.
Louis Vuitton pants, I
Yeah.
don't know what
And though
like
then that's still gonna cost like thousands of bucks online in the
it is.
metaverse. Yeah. Shit.
And then your avatars are gonna go to the club and then start breaking it down like
Yeah.
frantic style.
Just gonna use all the moves from his friggin' NFT. Oh my god. Just the
Yeah.
possibility. It's like it's really the
I think all that stuff is not too far into the future either. So I it's already happening. So we'll see.
yeah, it's a shit. It's only I think it's only a matter of time until it's like mass adoption.
Hmm.
So
Yeah. 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 It's very